By the Supreme Court today, the electoral bond scheme has been invalidated. Terming it unconstitutional, the Supreme Court has directed the State Bank of India to cease issuing the electoral bond with immediate effect. The ECI is expected to receive comprehensive data from the SBI within the next 3 weeks. Now, once the information is collected, ECI will publish these details on the official website to ensure transparency and public access to the information. Bonds that have not been encashed will be returned to the donors. Now, the ruling was delivered by a 5-judge constitution bench led by Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud. Now, the Supreme Court has underscored that it violates the right of voters, right to information, and also the fundamental rights of voters to know the candidate and the donors to these political parties. After the verdict, expectedly the Congress party was jubilant and targeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi, with Congress leader Rahul Gandhi accusing the ruling party of corruption.
The Supreme Court has struck down the electoral bond scheme, comprehensively struck it down, and all the provisions that were made to bring it into effect in the Income Tax Act, in the Companies Act, etc., everything has been struck down. They have held that this violates the fundamental right to information of citizens to know about who is contributing this much money to political parties, etc. They have also struck down the amendment made which allowed unlimited political contribution being made by companies to political parties. They have also directed the State Bank of India to furnish complete information about who purchased the bonds, who encashed the bonds. And all this information will have to be submitted to the Election Commission, who will have to display it on a public website so that the people come to know who purchased the bonds and who contributed by way of electoral bonds to which political party.
Big day for Indian democracy, big day for transparency, big day for the right to information under 19(1)A, big day for striking out clearly unconstitutional provisions, big day for bringing transparency into the political system, big day for exposing political parties who are participating in scams, biggest scams in the history of this country in the last many years. It's a big day for many, many, many reasons.
ये मोदी सरकार का जो है वो चुनाव के प्रति पारदर्शी चुनाव हो, सरल हो, सुलभ हो और हर मतदाता अपने मताधिकार का इस्तेमाल कर सके, इस संकल्प के साथ उसी तरह से राजनीतिक पार्टियों की फंडिंग भी पारदर्शी होनी चाहिए। इस दिशा में कदम उठाया गया था, लेकिन अब इसमें निर्णय जो हुआ सरकार उसको देखेगी। जहां तक इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड का सवाल है, जो फंडिंग है उसमें पारदर्शिता हो, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की फंडिंग चोरी चोरी चुप्पे चुप्पे जो ब्लैक मनी की जो है वो बाढ़ आई हुई थी, उसमें पारदर्शिता हो सके, इस दृष्टि से सरकार का फैसला था।
आप सार्वजनिक करिए, पूरी जानकारी करिए कि 5200 करोड़ किसने दिया भारतीय जनता पार्टी को, उसकी एवज में उन कंपनीज को भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने क्या क्या उपकार किए उन कंपनीज पर, उनको क्या क्या लाभ पहुंचाए। दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द क्विड प्रो को? हाउ कैन 95% of the proceeds of electoral bonds go to one political party, which is the ruling party? Therefore, our question is, in lieu of that money, have you sold, have you given coal mines to those companies? Have you allowed those companies to operate airports? What is the quid pro quo? This is our question.